keyboard shortcuts are an effective way to speed up your process. What I'm able to do is I'm able to now use my keyboard to help set or use my different commands. If I hit the O, it takes me to offset element. If I hit I, it takes me to offset edge. These are all set up inside of our settings. Now, if I want to, I can go to settings, designer settings, and I can go into my keyboard shortcuts. You're going to notice here this is my general information. If I were to hit any of those keys at any time, it would take me to those sections. Now, if I go to my home one, you're going to notice these are all options that we have from the home page. So each section has its own set of shortcut keys. Now, when I get to templating, you can obviously see erase, align. These are all just different letters. But if I want to change one of these, simple enough, I can just change it out, come into here, and we can put in what we want. Unassign, and then we can go to the add button, and then I can obviously just put in what I want and reassign it. This is a quick, easy way to kind of alter it to make it fit more of what you want it to do, but this is going to be how we change our shortcut keys to make sure that they're working. Now, templating, details, obviously details tab, photos, all of these things have them. Now, you have to have a keyboard to use them, but it's a good way to kind of use them, alter them kind of how you want to. Now, when I'm back on the home page, let's say I had a lapse and I want to kind of figure out what I want to do. If I hold in control and hit spacebar, it actually pulls up my shortcut keys for this page. It's a quick, easy way to kind of make a quick reference as you're starting to remember and learn, but we can alter these to kind of fit what we want to do to help us, obviously, to set up these commands to make it more efficient for us.